And today, India has blocked several accounts on social media. This is X platform accounts of Global Times and Xinhua News Agency, Chinese state-run media outlets, as well as Turkish public broadcaster TRT World. So the accounts, the handles of these news outlets have been blocked. This is over concerns over disinformation regarding India's Operation Sindoor, the counter-terrorist operation which was conducted successfully by the army, which targeted cross-border terrorist infrastructure, and there were those precision strikes inside of Pakistan. Now, India has blocked the Chinese mouthpiece Global Times for spreading fake news on the operation. So a very important step being taken in these times of disinformation and fake news. Let's go across. Vishal joins us for more on this story, Aishwarya as well. And Vishal, first to you, give us more details about, and are we expecting more action against other accounts?
Well, there could be, because Chinese state media has a lot of wings. Two of these wings have been clipped by the Indian authorities now. Global Times, it's the mouthpiece of the Chinese Communist Party, and Xinhua, which is the main Chinese state media, both have been blocked on X by the Indian authorities. And the similar action has been taken against TRT World, which is the Turkish public broadcaster, that has also been blocked in India. So what they had done is that they had spread several unverified claims on X and other social media places, where they claimed that many Indian aircraft had been downed by the Pak side, and also some other unverified videos regarding Operation Sindoor was shared without them verifying it on any level. So this is an action against disinformation. This was a long time coming, because the Global Times had been caught time and again spreading some false information, propaganda. They have a very active English media organization. They have several employees who write big press releases on a daily basis, but they have been, as I mentioned, caught many times spreading lies through social media. So this is an action against disinformation.
Right, an important action they're taken. As we saw during Operation Sindoor, there was a lot of fake news, a lot of disinformation online that was really, causing a lot of confusion, also anxiety to the public. So now an important step taken there with India blocking these social media handles. Thanks so much, Vishal, for joining us.